Hello guys, today we're going to do a opening on 50 loot crates, Hypixel, and we're going to open 100 mystery boxes. But first, we're going to go straight in to open the loot crates. Shopkeeper, loot crates, open! Woo! First off, a legendary. Woo! God, this is amazing. It feels so nice opening. Well, a knife skin. I've already got only the best. But meh. Oh, that is loud, guys. I'm gonna turn it down a bit because my headphones are killing. Guys, we're gonna have to open the mystery box in another video, okay, guys? We'll open the mystery boxes in another video. It's just these in total. God, this is a... God. Where's all the legendaries at? God, come on! Legendaries. What the heck? As soon as I said legendary, it's got a random protection trail. Come on, I need some epics now. I got none. Nah, I need something good. I need more legendaries. Come on. Look. Come on. Oh! Rudolph Killnote. Sounds interesting. I'm gonna use it. A bit laggy there because I opened it. A massive sword along there. Come on, I have to get something real good. I've already got that. Come on, let's see what I get. Got 19 left. Huller Jester, what is that going to be? I've unlocked nearly everything on... What was it again? I nearly looked every single cosmetic on Bed War, and I've opened all my chests by accident, but... I've got that, the demonized thingamajiggy. Ooh, rainbow! Don't know if I already have it though. A karaoke, what's that? Oh yeah, I know that. A cheapo! Ooh, snowman. Oh yes, a bag full of money. A boom. What's that? A boom. A flower crown. Nothing important. Cookies. It's a bit loud, but friendly. Snowman surprise! One left. That's all we have for today, guys. Bye!